Planning to study in Australia is an exciting step toward a brighter future, but understanding the student visa process is crucial for a smooth journey. In this guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know about applying for an Australian student visa, officially known as Subclass 500. Whether you're aiming to study at a university, vocational institution, or English language school, this visa is your key to unlocking the door to world-class education and a multicultural lifestyle. First and foremost, before applying for a student visa, you must receive a Confirmation of Enrolment, OE, from a registered Australian educational institution. This is a digital certificate that confirms your admission and must be included in your visa application. Make sure the course you choose is registered under the Commonwealth Register of Institutions and Courses for Overseas Students, CRICOS, as this is a basic requirement for visa eligibility. Once you have the COE, the next step is preparing your Genuine Temporary Entrant, GTE statement. This is one of the most important parts of your application. The GTE is a written document where you explain your intention to study in Australia temporarily and return to your home country after completing your studies. It should include your academic background, career goals, and reasons for choosing Australia and your specific course. Be honest, clear, and provide evidence wherever possible, such as previous academic transcripts or employment letters. Next, let's talk about the financial requirements. To be granted a student visa, you must demonstrate that you have enough funds to cover your tuition fees, living expenses, travel costs, and health insurance. As of now, the Department of Home Affairs generally expects students to show evidence of at least $24,505 Australian dollar per year for living expenses, in addition to tuition and travel. You can prove this through bank statements, loan documents, or financial sponsorship. Overseas Student Health Cover, OSHC, is another compulsory requirement. This is health insurance designed specifically for international students in Australia and must be purchased before you lodge your visa application. Many universities offer packages that include OSHC, or you can buy it directly from approved providers. It's important to maintain this coverage throughout your stay in Australia. Now, you're ready to lodge your application online through the IMI account portal. Create an account, fill in your details, upload your documents including your COE, passport, GTE, OSHC, and proof of funds, and pay the visa fee. As of 2025, the base application fee is around $710. Make sure all your documents are in English or translated by a certified translator. The processing time for a student visa can vary depending on the type of course and your country of origin. On average, it may take between 4 to 12 weeks, so apply well in advance. During the processing time, you may be contacted for an interview or additional documentation. Once your visa is granted, you'll receive a visa grant letter via email. This document outlines your visa conditions, such as working rights. You can work up to 48 hours per fortnight during study periods, and the duration of your visa. Always follow the conditions mentioned in your visa to avoid cancellation. Remember, attendance, course progression, and valid os and us are mandatory throughout your stay. In conclusion, applying for an Australian student visa involves several steps, from getting your COE and preparing your GTE to proving finances and health coverage. But with the right planning, attention to detail, and proper documentation, it can be a smooth and successful process. Studying in Australia is more than just an academic journey. It's a life-changing experience in one of the most beautiful, diverse, and welcoming countries in the world. Follow for more informative contents.